How to delete Instagram bio history. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you have to head towards the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now, from how you use Instagram section, choose your activity and scroll to the bottom. Now, under again how you use Instagram, select account history. Now at top right corner, select update type and you have to select bio and tap apply button. Now from here, you can see all your bio history. To delete any bio entries, you can easily remove them by tapping and holding, and then simply you can tap on it and you can delete it and add a new one. That's how you delete your Instagram bio history. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.